Chainsaw Man chapter 100. How to walk shoeless. Hmm. How to walk shoeless. All right. So there are these three. Three. Okay. Who has the katana and who has the axe? All right. Let's see. Who would devil really would devils really be inside a school? This is the biggest school in Tokyo. Supposedly, devils sometimes live in the unused classroom. Oh, we never introduced ourselves. I am Yuko. I'm super into Chainsaw Man lately. Oh yeah, he's a fucking star, dude. I wanna see Denji. Please, it's been two fucking chapters. The main protagonist hasn't come. Oh, come on, man. This chapter, he should be. He should fucking be, or I'm gonna lose it. I'm Ushida. Chainsaw Man's great, right? I like him too. Asha Mikita. This sucks. Why did I have to get teamed up with him? Awkward match. But I wanna bail. I am not the one who asked him out. Yeah, you sure did. Do you like Chainsaw Man, Ashida? Can't time move any faster? Like as much, as much as the average person. What's this? Oh, what the hell is that? Is that the class president? Yeah, they're from my class. Oh no, okay. I thought she kind of looked like the class president that the war devil killed. Hmm. Huh. She has some nerves trying to get a boyfriend so soon after what she did. She can totally hear you. Uh, what's up with them? Beats me. I just remembered. Something I have to do. Huh? Huh? What's wrong? I just remembered something I have to do. I gotta go. Hey, wait. Huh? Oh yeah, she's remembering Bucky. Dude, Bucky, man. He was one hell of a character. One hell of a fucking character. Yeah. Asha, wait. What's wrong? Are you okay? Oh yeah. Is that chicken? Ah, fuck, that's nasty. Oh yikes, that's raw meat. I'm fine. What? Denji, come and give her a hug. A good hug. Are you sure about that? I'm fine. Hey, I'm fine. Everything is fine. Oh yeah. I really like their interaction. Don't walk shoelessly. Don't walk shoeless. Our feet hurts. Yeah, our feet hurts. Yeah, that's our body too. Bullying is a community community without okay, that's one philosophical line. I'm not gonna read that. Should I take care of it for you? I said I'm fine. You're not fine. Yeah. Huh? Yep. Goes. Yep. Going shoeless hurts. All right. Okay. So she is going to. Okay. That's sweet. Here, Asha. I will lend you one of my shoes. If you wear one shoe, only one of your feet will hurt. I'm seeing dead flags. I'm seeing a lot of dead flags. I don't know. It maybe just because of part one, but I'm seeing a lot of that flag. No, no, no. Seriously, I'm fine. I don't need it. Then give it back to me. Huh? Give one back it with your shoes. Are you kidding me? Huh? What's this? Hey, wait. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, okay. Ah, Phil, this is my house. Okay, so that's her house. Wanna come in? No, thanks. Here, take the other one. Too. I have an extra. Now both your feet will be protected on your way home. No, I don't need your shoes. Okay. You got a good friend here. Yeah. What? Come on, that's the end of the chapter. Shall we go sell these? Are you an idiot? Are you kidding me? That's the end of the